Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today it is time for another DIY video. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This one is a Valentine's Day DIY video and that one is just so special to me. I love Valentine's Day. Of course, I will link all of these videos down below so you can support these videos and these creators. They have amazing ideas, so definitely check them out in the description and let's get started. We're gonna start off great. This one is a Valentine's Day card, but I love this one so much because it's like a love potion type thing, and I think that is so incredibly smart and creative, and they even put like an actual little tea bag in it, and I just think this one is so well thought, and I really love this idea, especially since I feel like the whole witchy crafty type thing is kind of becoming a little bit more popular, so I definitely love this idea so much. I think it's really smart and it's a great Valentine's Day card. This next one's actually a present, and I've never seen one of her DIYs before, but I believe I have like two in this video and I think they're so good, so definitely check her out for more DIYs. This one includes little love letters. Again, a lot of love gift DIYs often include those little love letters, but I also have many without, so if you don't like that, then I also have some other great ideas for you. You do see this a lot, and this is one of them, but I do like it a lot. But if you make it a little bit more personal, then I think this is a really good idea. This next person we've actually seen multiple times in the DIY videos, and I think this person is so talented, and I love this one again so much. Most of these DIYs are very cheap or even for free because you only need paper. This one uses toilet paper. I just think this one is adorable. It's just so cute, it's so cheap, and actually kind of simple if you think about it, but you do have to come up with it. I think it is so well thought, and I think it looks really good. I think it's so adorable. Oh, this next one's also one that I really like. I think it's one of my favorites. It's actually another gift type thing, but you put it in just a cute little way. I think it's so smart because they make like this scratch thing that you scratch the paint off. I would never think that if you would put paint on tape and you would scratch it, that would like crumble off. I did not know that. I would never think of that, but I love it so much. I think this is an awesome idea. If you can like combine this with like candy or something, that is really fun, and they would actually get like a date night out of it instead of a present, which is both really fun. But I think this is a very fun way to do this if you just want to like do something with the person. There she is again. We like her a lot. She has another great DIY with toilet paper. But that is so smart because everyone has toilet paper, so that is just really handy. A lot of these are actually great for last minute. You might not have colored paper or paint, but if you do like to make DIY sometimes, then you probably do. I mean, I do, so you know. But this one is so adorable as well. There she is again, but this time with a really fun Valentine's Day card. I love this type of thing. Like in one of my videos, I showed this really fun DIY in which they made a drawing, and if you like pulled something up, then the drawing would be filled with color, and I love that type of thing. And this is kind of the same idea, but then a little bit simpler. It's just so fun. Like, it's fairly simple, but if it's very last minute and you don't have time to buy an actual card, then this is just such a fun way. This is such a fun way to actually do something else, or just if you want to make a card yourself. This is just fun. And there is Daria again. I don't know if that's how you call it. This person is so good in DIYs. I often show you a lot of her ideas and I think they're so incredibly good, so definitely check out her account and follow her because she definitely deserves it. But this one I love so much. I would definitely just make this for myself and use it as decoration. Especially the pink color is so pretty, but she makes this so pretty. Like, I'm actually amazed by how good this looks. How good does this look? Like the leaves and everything, they look so good. I'm so obsessed with this one. This one's also really fun. This is also kind of like a Valentine's Day card, but it doesn't have to specifically be. Like, it could also kind of be the gift itself. But I just really like this idea, so I really wanted to share it with you. I think it's so fun, so smart. I think it's just a really fun gift or a card, whatever you'd like. But I personally would make this as a card. It's a fun idea. You can make this really pretty. It'd actually be kind of fun as decoration too. Okay, this DIY is just a little bit harder to make, but honestly is so incredibly good. I love this one personally. I think it's so smart. This could literally be for anyone. Gender does not matter, which are usually the best gift DIYs. But I just think this is so cool. Like how the mechanism, how do you think of this? I would love to get this. Like, honestly, if someone would make this for me, I would keep it in my room forever. And if I would like want some candy, I would actually just fill it up and reuse it again. So this is definitely a really great Valentine's Day gift. Something that I saw a lot while searching for these Valentine's Day gift DIYs is these gift boxes. These are again good for any gender, doesn't matter. I did see this a lot, like a box filled with half roses and half chocolates, but I believe like traditionally it's kind of like the standard gift to give flowers and candy. Like that is so typical traditional Valentine's Day gifts, and I think that's so fun. I think there are so many fun gifts, and especially these DIYs are so amazing and so fun to make and give. But then I think this is a really fun way to kind of go back to that traditional gift giving of Valentine's Day. It's kind of like the traditional gift in a new way to give it, a new way to actually kind of make it fun again. I'm going very deep right now, I'm so sorry. This is a really fun gift and good for any gender, so that is also a very big plus. This next one's also very sweet, and I like this idea a lot. It's kind of like a gift box type thing, fairly small, but I think it's just so fun. And this person, in the end, you will see that they put in like these small candies, which is definitely a fun idea. But you could of course also go for another small gift, like maybe a bracelet or something, if the person that you are giving it to is into jewelry, or something else that is a little bit smaller that would fit into this. You could also make it to a different size, of course. You could also try and make it a little bit bigger or a little smaller, whatever you like, but I think this was a very good idea, so I definitely wanted to include it. It's an original way of a gift box, and how fun is it to actually make a gift box yourself? I really like that. Oh, this is definitely one of my favorite DIY people on TikTok. Is that the right term? TikTok accounts? Yes. I think her DIYs are so good, and this one, again, oh, this one is a little bit harder. It's also kind of a longer video, but I really like this one a lot. So you do have to put a little bit more effort into it, but you don't need a lot. Again, you just need paper and you need to print out some photos. But I think anyone can do this, really, if you just follow along with the tutorial. She does use a hot glue gun, but I think you can definitely get away with normal glue. I don't know why you should specifically use a hot glue gun. I think it's just easier. I actually have no idea. I've never used one, but I think you can definitely use normal glue as well. I think this is adorable. I love gift DIYs with photos. I think it makes it so personal. This would also just be great for like a BFF or anything. Like, you don't even have to give this to like a boyfriend girlfriend type thing, like a relationship. You could also just give this to friends, and I love that so much, because even if you are single, you can still celebrate Valentine's Day with your besties. So I think this idea is so fun. You can use this in many different occasions. There she is again with another great gift DIY. I think this one is perfect. I love this one. I've never seen anything like this before, and I think this is genius. Definitely check out this person's account, because I love this so much. It's like a bow and arrow. I like that so much because, of course, with Valentine's Day, it's also about like Cupid and everything, and Cupid has a bow and an arrow, and this also uses a bow and an arrow, and I think that is so fun. Like, it's not even specifically to gift the bow and arrow, but it is part of the gift, and I think it's so incredibly fun. I just like that reference. I think this is one of the most perfect Valentine's Day gifts. I think this is so good. If you've seen my other Valentine's Day gift DIY videos, then you might have seen this one before, but I love this one so much. It's definitely my personal favorite. Do not ask me why, I don't know, but I love this one so much, so I just had to include it again. I had no choice. This person is making a photo booth. I love photo booths. I love this one so much. Again, the photos make it so personal. It's really fun if you can make a standing one. I've also seen a standing one before. This one is kind of more like a card, but I've actually seen like kind of a 3D photo booth. I like all versions of it because I just think this one is so precious. I think it's great, and as you can see, this one you could definitely use as like a card type thing, but you could also make it 3D so it's more like a gift. I love it all. I think it's also so good. It's my personal favorite. This next one's also cute. It's fairly simple. You don't need a lot for it, which is always great. It's great for last moment, and if you just want to include something small or simple to your gift, or if you just have like a crush on someone, then this is so fun to give. Oh my god, that is a good idea. If you have like just a crush type thing on someone and you don't want to give them this whole big thing, then this is so so cute. This is just really personal. No, that is adorable. If you have a crush on someone, definitely make this and tell me how it turns out. I really want to know. That were all of the ideas that I had for you. I hope there were some amazing ones in there for you. I definitely think so. I think these were all so good. If you did not get the idea that you were looking for, then I have some other Valentine's Day or just gift DIY videos. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become a part of the family, check out all of the awesome creators in the description, and I hope I will see you in my next video.